Hello guys! Welcome to another vlog! Today, magpapabudol tayo sa Best Buy! Kasi gusto na mag-give up ng aming Keurig. So, medyo na in love kasi ako sa Ninja na Dual Brew Pro. Tinignan ko yung mga reviews niya, saka yung mga video niya. Parang gusto ko siya. So, papabudol muna tayo sa Best Buy, guys. Punta tayo dun ngayon. Hindi ko siya in-order online kasi parang gusto ko siya makita ng physically. Ganun kasi ako minsan parang gusto ko yung mga bagay-bagay. Gusto ko pa rin nakikita na hawakan bago ko siya bilhin. So, tingnan natin kung ano itsura niya, guys. Yeah, we're on our way to Best Buy. Later! So, doon na tayo dumiretso sa kitchen appliances, guys. Kasi excited na talaga ako. Gusto ko na masarap na kape. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kitchen appliances. Ayan, guys, ang dami coffee maker, oh.
It's this one, no?
It says dual.
It's this one.
No, not that one. Hold on.
Oh, this is that. Okay.
Sa sobrang dami nila, hindi na namin alam kung nasaan. Oh yeah, Dual Brew Pro. Okay guys, ito yung gusto natin. So meron siyang 4-pod brew sizes and 9-ground brew sizes. So pwede siya yung K-cup or Keurig pods. Pwede rin siyang brew. So ito siya ngayon. Naka-sale siya, dati siyang 225. So, ayan siya, guys. Okay, let's go. Uwi na tayo. Okay na, guys. Nabili na natin. O, diba? Ayan siya, guys. Gusto ko nga siya i-seatbelt kaya lang exage daw. Hello, guys! Unboxing tayo! Ito talaga yung na-research ko na okay para sa sa needs ng bahay namin. So, unboxing na tayo, ha. Okay, so meron siyang manual. Oy, meron siyang free na coffee filter. Frother para malinis mo siya. Detachable. Sabi dito, this is Ninja Pod Adapter. Push to remove adapter, pull to lock the adapter, and lift handle. So, pag nakaganyan siya, nakalock siya. Pag nakaganyan siya, ibig sabihin you can remove it. And then you just have to lift it para dito yung sa coffee grounds. Yan. So, ayan siya. So ito, kung if you're not really using K-pods, you can store it somewhere or store it for next time. Then open this one and then slide it for brewed coffee, for coffee grounds. Then you can use yung pot to brew coffee. If you're gonna use K-pods, you can just slide it back, not too much, and then lock it there so it won't slip. So this one goes on top of the brew basket, and then you slide it to lock it. Okay, it also comes with a scoop. This one is for specialty or for brewing coffee, and this one is for single serve. Ito yung frother niya. Ilalagay siya dito, guys. For the frother. And just remove it if you need to wash it. And this one is for the water reserve. I mean, you have options. So you have full brew pot, 3/4, and then if it's only for half brew pot. Tapos dito yung travel size, which is like 18 ounces. Tapos dito yung mga single serve na coffee cup. Usually mga 6, 8, or 10, up to 12 ounces. Ayan. So, dito yung yung coffee pods. You just have to put it in there, pop it in there, and then press it. So, we have the actual device itself. Ayan. Ito yung for coffee pot, measuring spoon, and then yung detachable frother, and then the water reservoir. Okay. So that's it, guys. Later, I will show you how to brew a whole coffee pot, an iced coffee, and a latte. And also, I'll show you the K-pods for single serve coffee. So the water tank can be moved depending on your preference. It can be on the side or at the back. So you just have to remove this. I think this one protects it or locks it. Yeah, just remove it. Yep, and just move it like this, and put this lock back. So it seals it in place. I'm gonna put it back now because I prefer it on the side. So I remove the water tank so I can wash it and fill it up with water. And I can put it back here, and that's how I prefer it on the side. It depends on how your space is and where you're gonna put it. If it's convenient for you to have the water tank at the back, then that's good. But for me, I prefer it on the side. It's up to you. Already turn it on and then set the time. You also have an option to brew K-pods, or if you have coffee grounds and you prefer to brew it like a K-pod, then you have this option. You can buy this in Amazon. It comes with like the 3 holes. So before, my coffee maker is a Keurig, and I have this which has like a 1 hole at the center. But with Ninja, you have this 3 punch holes. So you have to buy a separate K-pod container or ground container. Also this filter to put it inside. You can buy it in Amazon. So another feature of this Ninja tea and coffee maker, it has a separate water tube for coffee and water. So this tube right here is for water, and this one is for coffee. So you don't have to worry about your tea tasting like coffee. There are two knobs here. This one is for water, and this one is for coffee. You'll see the menu change. This is for coffee, and this is for water. So you have two options here. For water, you have boil and then hot. Depends on the temperature you want. And for coffee, you have different brew style for coffee. We have classic, rich, over ice, and specialty for espresso shots. So right now I'm gonna make coffee over ice. So this is a nice tumbler I got from Bulldog Liquidators. If you see my previous vlog, you'll see I think I got it for $6 for all of it. So I got ice and we're ready to pour coffee. I always forget to open it. So this milk is 6 ounces. I'm gonna make a 10-ounce hot latte. This one you can easily detach by just twisting it. So you can wash this after. It's a nice froth. You can heat it up and then use the frother directly with this mug, but I just want to measure it.